Hi everyone! Maybe you found yourself thinking that your customers felt like just tickets, not real people. So you had an idea to add something personal instead of continued messaging and sending links to your knowledge base. Sometimes you think it is easier to capture your screen and to show some things with the short personal tutorial. Video reply can help you with it. That means you have no need for recording tools for your browser, as you can create short videos directly from your Zendesk without adding any attachments. Also, save a recently created video in the library or prepare the new one for future requests. Take the specific video from the library whenever you want. Record from your camera.
Good morning, Apollo Business Partner Service Center. How may I help you?
Capture your screen. Or even send a request to your customer in order to record a video with a detailed issue explanation. Note that receivers don't need to install the app to record the reply. They can start recording from their email. Also, check the statistics to measure the success of your video performance over time. Besides, create a customized video preview with your company's contact information, texts, button titles, and more information. Change colors, buttons, and fonts to fit your brand style. Video reply will definitely help you to build outstanding customer care. Try video reply and you will no longer imagine your work without it. Also, try our other apps, themes, and services for Zendesk. Visit GrowthDot.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.